Welcome back to Pikes Peak Piper, which is just over there. Today we are going to do a box opening, but first we are going to load up a bowl of the Balkan sobranie. Sobranie? I don't know. That's what it looks like in the tin. You can see right there, that little piece right there, that's got a whole bunch of sugar crystals on it. This stuff is fantastic. So it's already got some good plume going on it, and it's not that old. So, gonna smoke it in my bulldog that I made, and we'll get this bad boy fired up here real fast. So Balkan sobranie, for those of you that don't know, is a shag cut blend. So it's really basically fine ribbon. So when I've got really fine ribbon like this, I have found that the best way to load the bowl is the 3-pinch method. So, different tobaccos and pipes really, there's different methods. You can hear my dog barking. But different methods for different cuts. I find the 3-pinch method is pretty solid. The first pinch, you just put a pinch in there, you just lightly tap it down. Second pinch, you put it in there, you push it a little bit more, and then the third pinch, you put it in and you kind of shove it in. So kind of like baby, mother, father pressure, if you will, is what I've been told. I don't know. Lighting it with my Vertigo lighter. It's a nice soft flame pipe lighter. It's got a couple tools in here. Got tamper. I don't know what that is, file or something. And then it's got the poker tool. So for those of you that don't know what I just did, I did the char light, which was the first time I hit it, just to kind of char everything, get it kind of ready to go. Tamp it down, and then hit it with the second light, which is called the true light. And then lightly tamped it down again. And so now I've got a nice little ember in there. You can see that. And, I'll lightly tamp it a few times after a true light. Just gently. This should burn for quite a while. May not even have to relight it. You never know. You can see in the background, I got both the doors open to the mansion. It's a beautiful day today. Got the neighbor's barn over there. Sitting down on one of the couches in here. We got a couple. And out of the box. So I don't know what I did with my knife. It's somewhere. Now you see this is a little box. There is no tobacco in here. But this is what I need to finish to actually have all the implements that I need to actually make pipes. Of course, I don't have a lathe or bandsaw or belt sander. I don't need any of that stuff. I'm good. So, first of all, let's take a look what we got in here. All right. So, we got a 13/16 spoon bit. You can see how it's shaped, so that'll drill out my chamber. Looked everywhere in town at all the different places, the woodworking shop, all the different hardware stores. Nobody had anything like that, so had to buy it online from Vermont Freehand. All right, we have, ooh, I don't know if you can see the color. I don't remember the color, but it's got, so it's kind of bluish, purplish. I don't know. It's really pretty. As you can see, it is flat down here at the bottom. It does have the holes drilled, but I need to actually machine this to have a tenon. But I bought this to replace the stem on my Cobbit. So hopefully we'll be able to do that and size it up properly, fit it in, and I might give it a slight bend here with the heat gun. Yeah, I think it'll look awesome. All right, and then, like I said, I need to actually be able to make the tenon. So this is a tenon turning tool. Basically, as you see here, it's got this rod, and that rod should fit into the hole. This hole's a little small, so we might have to drill it out a little bit. But then it's got a blade right here. You set it into a drill press, and then you turn it. And so then you can, this blade is adjustable, so you can, there's a set screw here, so you can adjust the thickness of the tenon. You can kind of see what I'm talking about right there. So that block of aluminum slides in and out, so you can adjust the overall diameter of your tenon. So that will be essential to make that. But they don't want you to just start and screw a whole bunch of stuff up. So when you buy that tenon turning tool, which is not cheap, holy cow, I can't get over how expensive that thing is. Holy moly, that was like 80 bucks. Are you kidding me? 80 bucks? For that. It did come with some stems to work on too, so got some different Allen wrenches that go with it, and then got a bag of stems to practice with, so that you can actually figure out how to do it before screwing up a tenon that you actually want for a real pipe. So got some practice stems here. The tenons are partially turned, but they have a bunch of meat on them, so you can practice actually getting them turned to the right diameter. So anyways, got some instructions here, so that'll be helpful. I am excited. We finally got the last couple pieces of hardware that we need to finish these pipes. So that'll be good. That'll be real, real good. Sorry, there wasn't anything exciting in this video. No tobacco. No new pipe. Just the stem. My daughter just showed up outside the window with a brush so I can brush off the counters of my shop. Well, I've had you long enough. Happy smokes, folks.